Materials: mungo seeds, small bowl of water, clear plastic tumbler, a little soil, and a ruler. What to do? Number 1. Soak a few seeds in a water overnight. Number 2. Put some holes at the bottom of the glass. Put a little soil inside. Number 3. Plant 2 or 3 seeds in the soil. Put them near the side of the cup so you can observe how the seeds will grow. Number 4. Sprinkle a few drops of water just to keep the soil moist. Number 5. Observe how the seeds will grow for a few days.